Alright, let's come back to this. How can we draw the equations of a line by given a general form? Firstly, we're going to look at what is general form. So general form will look like capital AX plus BY equals C. That is called a general form of an equation of line, where that capital A, B, C can be described as a number. So for example, in the equation, you won't see AX plus BY plus C. You're all going to see is A, B, C will be replaced by a number. So for example, 2x plus 7y equals 14. Or something like x take 3y equals 2. Oh, sorry, equals 6. They are in general form. You can see now A is equal to 2, B is equal to 7, and C is equal to 14. In this case, got nothing in front of x, that means 1 times x. So then A is equal to 1. Then B is now equals -3. And that's C. So remember, you have to bring the sign with the number. If that's plus +7, you just consider 7. If that's take 3, that's mean your B is equal to -3. So to draw the graph of that general form, we need to find two things. Firstly is y-intercept. We're going to find y-intercept. To find a y-intercept, we need to let x equals 0, and then you substitute into the equation to find the y value. So second step is to find x-intercept. So same thing, if we find x-intercept, that means we cut the x-axis, we need to let y equals 0, and then we'll substitute to find our x value. And then join points together. So let's do an example to explain what that means. Example 5. So we're going to draw a graph of 3x plus 5y equals 15. So first steps and the second step. First step, we're going to find the y-intercept is to find y-intercept. We need to let x equals 0. In this case, it substitutes x equals 0 to that equation. So 3 times 0 plus 5y equals 15. 3 times 0 becomes 0. Then 0 plus 5y equals 15. And then 5y is equal to 15. And you divide by 5 on both sides to get rid of that 5. Y equals 3. So in this case, y-intercept is 3. So we'll need that later. So what's our second step is to find the x-intercept here. So then we have x to find x-intercept. We need to let y equals 0. So what that means is substitute y equals 0 into equation. Then we have 3x plus 5 times 0 equals 15. And 3x plus 0 equals 15. Then 3x equals 15. And x equals 15 divided by 3 is 5. So in this case, my x-intercept is equal to 5. Why do we need this? Is we actually finding the 2 point. So the graph cut the y-axis at 3 and the x-axis at 5. So we're going to draw the coordinates here because they're all positive, so I leave more space for the positive part. So it cuts 3 in the y-axis and it cuts 5 in the x-axis. So then I got the 3, I got the 5, because the graph gonna cut. Then I can join a line between these 2 points. And I'm done. And this line here is for our equation, 3x plus 5y equals 15. Now, that's all the steps that we are going to use to graph our equation of line if they are in a general form, which is ax plus by plus c equals c, sorry. So now we're going to do some exercise 12D. Okay, question 1. Question 2, we might do A, B, and H. And question 3. Question 4, B, E, F, and H. You can see that in general form is actually more easier than the gradient intercept form. And question 5, question 6, and the question 7 are the applications of drawing the graph. Alright, so that's what we're going to do in class on Monday. Thank you for watching. If you can't see the writing in here, I'll write it on board on Monday. Thank you.